Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to add support agents and manage their roles in your free Freshdesk plan. First, to add an agent, click on Admin in the left menu. Then, select Team. On the Team page, click the blue New Agent button. A form will open. Type in the agent's full name and their work email address. Then, choose their role from the Role drop-down. The free plan has two main roles, Agent and Admin. Choose Agent for a regular support teammate. They can view and reply to tickets. Choose Admin for someone who needs to change settings and add other agents. Click the Add button. An invitation email will be sent to the new agent. They must accept it to join your help desk. Now, to manage an existing agent's role, go back to Admin and Team. Find the agent in the list. Click on their name to open their profile. On their profile page, find the Role section. Click the drop-down and select a new role, like changing an agent to an admin. Then, click Update to save the change. You can also deactivate an agent. On the agent's profile, scroll down. Find the Deactivate User button. Click it to remove their access, and that's it. You've added new agents, assigned their roles as agent or admin, updated those roles, and deactivated users when needed. If this helped you build your support team, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.